All iPhone 13 models to feature an improved ultrawide camera sensors, report, Startup Pakistan. As per a note by Barclays analysts Blayne Curtis and Thomas O'Malley. Apple will add a new ultrawide angle camera with a brighter f1.8 lens to all iPhone 13 models. That information is different from the previous study by analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who said that the new camera would only get the Pro versions. The new f1.8 lens will improve the amount of light reaching the sensor through the ultra-wide f2.4 lens used on the current iPhone. In contrast to the Galaxy S21 Ultra's 1/2.55, or the Huawei Mate 40 Pro's mammoth 1/1.54. It is also likely that Apple will increase the sensor size of the new ultra-wide angle cameras as the current 1/3.6 fades. The Barclays analysts report goes on to state that in the iPhone 13 series, Apple will continue using the 12 MP f2.2 65mm 2.5x sensor 12 MP f2.2 65mm 2.5x sensor 12 MP f2.2 65mm 2.5x sensor. Exclusive to the 12 Pro Max this year, and will also expand it from the Pro Max to the Pro.